Hi there, my name is Dana Moore, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of HydroSide Systems. And I've got the pleasure of sharing my testimonial of our work with Swim Consulting out of Boise on our project. And so what HydroSide set out to build was a remote operated form of irrigation for growers. And one of the things that we loved working with Swim around was just a desire to understand the project. And that went beyond just phone calls and sharing some emails. They actually traveled up and met with us in North Idaho, and they met us in the field with some of our early units to be able to see the environment in which this thing is intended to operate. And we're talking about inclement environments, to be left out in the winter months, covered in water and rain, and a tough environment to design in and around. And Swim swarmed this really hard and intentionally. And so Swim designed both the software package as well as the hardware package for our units, and that included our control boxes and the PCB that was designed from scratch, and the controllers that were also designed from scratch, along with a secondary PCB to operate those. And so we've been very pleased with the work. We had a lengthy R&D process, and Swim is involved heavily through that process. And we got a lot of the kinks ironed out, and they did a great job of adapting along the way in order to get this to work well and to get the unit to a point where it would be scalable. So that was another key piece that we enjoyed with Swim, is just the understanding that we need products that can be put into service, not just an R&D functional prototype. The desire to design towards a system that can be manufactured and can be replicable and can be stable. Those were key hallmarks in our design efforts. And Swim did a fantastic job. They weren't afraid to roll their sleeves up, get dirty, go out into the field, and to see this thing, functioning. At one point, we were out there in January down in Caldwell, Idaho, in a muddy field, and several of the guys were out there, working hard and also doing a great job of helping us to try to do our testing, but also to understand the product more and just what it needs to endure, both in the elements and in the environment in which it was going to be performing. So we're very happy with our work with Swim. We're very grateful for them helping get us to where we're at now. And we certainly would believe that anyone who chose to work with Swim would be very happy with the end result. Again, our thanks to Swim for the hard work and the efforts. And we were very appreciative of the time, effort, and energy that went into a project that was really designed from scratch.